Good morning, everyone. This is Ambers from the business owner of VGJ Floors. So today we're doing this project over here. So we're going to be using this water base over here, which is the number one, the one we use with the hardener. This is the Bona traffic. So I'm going to be preparing it, the way and the correct way to prepare it. And I'm going to go inside and do the vacuum of the floor and apply the finish. But this is the step for you to prepare this kind of product. Let me walk you through it. And when the finish is new, that's what you should hear, the click being broke. This is the part B. This is the hardener, what you need to have. And you're gonna put it in. This is the filter. We're gonna put this just in a second. Make sure you tight very well and shake for about maybe like 3 minutes, and remove the cap and make sure it debris, so all the fumes and everything get gone. That should be just enough. Now what you do is you open up this and let like all the air out, and if you want to have any more information on this kind of product, give us a call, 732-768-0854. This is one of them. We work with Bona and we work with Low, which is the high-end product.